Let's proceed ahead. So now, okay, I'm going to talk about few more commands, and that is here we have this hello, okay, this particular file, and I want to move this particular file to this particular folder. Okay, how can I move? So to move, we have this mv is the command. Okay, but I want to move this hello, and where I want to move, I want to move to this particular folder test. Okay, if I do ls, so see this file has been moved to test. If I want to do cd test, okay, I'll be able to see clear here we have this particular file. Okay, or there is one more thing if you can do. Okay, for example, you again want to move this move. You want to again move this particular file hello. Where you want to move? You want to move to this temp folder. Okay, and what you can do here, you can use -v. Okay, v is for verbose. Let's press enter. Okay, see here it is showing you copied hello from here to temp hello, and it is removed, okay, from the existing folder. So if you want to see the output on your screen, you can use this -v. So -v, I believe you can use while removing your folders and files that moment of time as well. Okay, that's not a concern. And one thing is here, if I just go, okay, ls, here we have test. For example, if I want to move this test where to temp, okay, let me give it a try. Temp, your test folder is also got moved. Let me try to do one thing, okay? Here I will create one folder or directory. I will give it a name as dummy, okay? I will go to this particular folder or directory dummy. Here I have nothing. I will create one. I will create few files for .txt. Okay, 4 files I got created under this dummy folder. I will go one step back. Okay, so now I mean to say there is one particular folder dummy, and inside this dummy folder there are multiple files. Okay, so now I want to move this dummy. Can I move it? This is the dummy. Okay, where I want to move this, I want to move this to temp. Okay, see, this is getting moved. Okay, there is no such problem. Or if I just go here, for example, cd/temp, I'm here at temp location. So here I can see multiple files, dummy, hello, and these files are being available. I want to move all of them to home directory. Okay. So what I can do, I can say move star means everything. Where I want to move, I can say tilde symbol. Okay, move everything here, or I can say /root. Anything is fine. I press enter. That's it. I'll do cd tilde and see all the files which were there in dummy has been moved here. Okay. So to move files and folders, we have move command. Source file location space destination file location. Okay. Any questions till the time?
No, I think I got it.
Okay. Now my question is, see here I go. Okay, we were looking this cat etc passwd. Okay, here we are able to see so many entries. I don't want to see so many entries. I just want to see top 5 entries. Okay, or top 10 entries I want to see. What can I do? Right? Maybe in organizations we will be able to see lot more entries are being there. Okay, so what can we do there? So in those scenarios, we can do, if we want to see the top entries, right? Okay, we will say head. Okay, etc passwd. From here we want to read, right? So top 10 entries are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Maybe I just want to see top 5 entries. What can I do? I can say I will add -5 here. Okay, and press enter. So now top 5 entries I am able to see. Okay. Similarly, if you want to see the last entries, okay, what you can do, you can use tail. Okay, like head, we have the tail as well. So tail will also show you last 10 entries. If you want to see the last 5 entries or 2 entries or 3 entries, okay, maybe last 3 entries I want to see. I'll press enter. Okay, so see, it is showing me last 3 entries from this particular file. Okay, from where we want to read out the information. So last details it is showing us. Any questions or any doubt?
No, I got it. So we're
Okay.
gonna read the first one in password directory, right?
Yeah, you passed WD right.
Yep. Okay.
Head, for example, I'm giving example as well. Okay. To see the top 10 entries, -5. The top 5 entries. Tail, last 10 entries. Tail -3, right? The last 3 entries. Okay. This is how. Okay. So here we have, see, this particular tail is very popular in organizations while we are analyzing the logs. Okay, because logs get so much of the logs used to have, right? Okay. So maybe we can see, for example, tail, right? Tail, and here we go, etc log. Sorry, the etc log. No, that is wrong. Tail /var/logs. Okay, and here we have multiple log files available. So let me go there. Okay, but let me try to see this. Cloud init dot log. Okay, I'll press enter. So see, once I press enter, okay, you're able to see such so few logs are being there. Okay, but as I did tail, so it is showing me last 10 logs which are being available. Okay, if I'll not be using tail, for example, if I do here cat, okay, I press enter. So see how much logs are being available, right? So it gets difficult for us to analyze the logs in such a way, right? So
Yep.
this tail basically we use in organizations. And see, if you want to see the real-time logs, okay, what we do, we use -f, okay, and we press enter. So now what it will do, it will keep monitoring, okay. As new entry will come up, this tail will show you the new entry, okay. As any new log will get generated, it will show you here, okay. So it will be like
Okay.
this. So this is how tail-f is very popular in the industries to analyze the real-time logs. Okay. So this is how it is. Now, one more thing I have to cover up is for the installation, if we want to install anything in Linux, okay, basically I'm talking about the Red Hat at this moment of time. Okay. So if we have to install anything, then we use yum is the package manager here. Earlier, basically here RPM is the extension or RPM is the package name. But see, if for example I have to install HTTPD, okay, let me remove this HTTPD first and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so see, when I'm removing this HTTPD, what is happening? This is removing HTTPD, and along with HTTPD, there are so many dependencies which are available here. Okay, so it means if I will have to manually install the packages. Okay, before installing HTTPD, I would be requiring to install APR util, this. All these packages initially I will have to install one by one. And once one by one I will get them installed, then the next step is to get this HTTPD package installed. Right? Then only I will be able to successfully install it. But now what this yum is providing me, okay, this yum is by default getting all the packages installed for me. The only thing I have to do is I will have to just go here and I will have to say yum install HTTPD. So yum will not only install this HTTPD, but along with that, all the dependencies which are there, which are required to get installed for this particular package, it will be getting installed all the 12 packages. It is not installing only one package, it is getting installed all the packages for me, right? And not
Yep.
for let me do this. Yes. Okay. And not only for HTTPD, but for all the packages. For example, here I say go and I say zip. Okay. Okay, zip is already there. I'll say unzip. Okay, so unzip is already there. Let me try to install tree, for example. Okay, tree is already installed. Okay. Okay. So here we are. And tell me any package name. Do you remember any? There is also
Uh,
there.
VIM,
Hmm?
VIM, we already have that, right?
Vim will already be there. Yeah, Vim will already be there. Okay, let me try to do install Nginx now. Okay, let me show you. Yum install Nginx. Okay, so see what is happening. Along with Nginx, it is installing these dependencies as well. So any package you pick, okay, it will install the dependencies as well automatically. You will not be required to install all the packages manually. Okay, Yum is doing that work for you, making your task easier. Okay, that's what Yum is doing here. Getting my
Okay.
point?
Yep.
So with the help of Yum, we can install anything HTTPD, for example. Okay, it is installed. That is good. Now, if we have to start the services of HTTPD, for example, we will say systemctl. Okay, start, and we will say HTTPD. So systemctl and the services which we want to start, for example, HTTPD service we want to start, we will say enter. Now, if we want to see the service status, systemctl status HTTPD, it will show us whether the service is running or not running, so that it will show. Okay, at this moment of time it is showing running. Okay, but it is being disabled. Let's try to do one thing. Okay, let's go here and say systemctl enable HTTP. Okay, what it will do, once your EC2 instance will get restarted, still the services will be keep running on. Now you can go here, you can see systemctl status HTTPD. Okay, here you can see the service is in running state and it will be into the running state as well once you reboot it. Once you reboot it. Okay, so that is the use case of your enable. So this is what I wanted to cover till here. Do you have any questions?
Okay.
No?